this is Jo. Today I am visiting a big garden near London. I went inside this hut to watch some birds. This is a river, and there is a golf course on the other side. This is a very low tree. This is a very tall tree. This tree is shaped like a bench. And this tree has many branches. I love climbing trees. This could be a little Christmas tree. And this could be a very big Christmas tree. Here you can have a picnic. Pine cones grow on pine trees. A pine sculpture. I was hiding in a tree. This is a throne fit for a king. There are lots of fish in this lake. Thank you, and see you in part 2.